evals. I should have probably kept my stop sitting right below this 9 EMA, but all good. We'll take it. All right, so just traded, these were 5 eval accounts that I traded. So this could keep going. I would, I think that support's really sitting at 220, 223 area. I really should have moved it down a little bit more, but right now we could, we could blast through 250s next, and then we do have those sellers sitting at 262.75. So if anyone's in a long or took this long, I think it still looks good. Yeah, because we do have, this is exactly where we opened, so I would expect some continuation.
Right at beep bop.
Beep bop.
Right at beep bop. All right, let me move this over. Nice hold. Very nice hold. So what I was basically looking at on this trade, guys, this is the reason why I took this. I was watching a couple things. So I was watching, let me actually move to the 15 minutes so you guys can see. I was watching ES. I really probably should have taken this trade on ES because you guys can see ES came all the way down to its pre-market low. I saw those buyers sitting at 200. I also saw those buyers sitting at 185. So what I was looking for was a reaction of 185, which obviously we got lower than that. But once we started kind of pulling back up and ES was not breaking its pre-market low, for me, that was more of a signal to go long than go short. So like I said, I had a 10-point stop on this. The risk to reward on this was pretty great. Risking 10 points, I think I got about 60 points out of this, 50 or 60 points out of this. So 6 to 1 trade on that, or I don't know if I did the math right, but my point being is that I was looking at that pre-market low holding on ES. I would have probably rather have taken that trade on ES, but I did like how NASDAQ was holding. Once we got back above 200, I was comfortable in this trade and holding it and just trailing it from there. So like I said, my ultimate target would have essentially been where we're coming into right now. But if we start clearing this 260, then I can see us, making new highs for the day. This is a really strong wick, buying wick that we just put in on the 15 minutes. So we'll see what we got. Nice, the wall, good job. How is it trading on the 15-second, Nick?
I'm actually setting up Tradovate's bracket order, so I can do it on Tradovate. Because on TradingView, it's not the move, I tell you.
TradingView is not the move.
But hey, we're up $418, so.
Nice. Ooh, getting some selling coming in here. All right. Opening range low has been developed here as well. Interesting. Wait, what?
Oh, look at that surge down.
Yeah, selling pressure coming in here, guys. On book maps. Let's see if they hold. I think if they hold 240, I think we're still fine for these longs. Yeah, they're just trying to manipulate here. But now look what we have, right? We have this nice wick to fill to the downside. So usually on lower time frames, it's a little less probable. I like the higher time frame wicks, but in terms of, the area that we're looking for right now is going to be like 235, 240. If we continue lower than that, then I think we do come back down to pre-market low. Otherwise, we make new highs for the day. Selling pressure is coming in though on book maps. I do hear it. Those little bubbles that you guys hear in the background. That's exactly what Can you hear that still?
No, we can't hear it anymore.
Oh, okay.
It was funny when it was on though.
Yeah, usually when I first turn on book maps, it's like, it's just going nuts. But yeah, right now it's slowed down a little bit. Some people hate that noise. Some people they can't stand it. I kind of think it's fun.
It would annoy me over time. I guess it's fun.
Yeah, I could see it being annoying over time for sure.
Wait, didn't you say you're gonna wait for the first 15 minutes?
I did. Yeah. I did.
Well. I thought I was like, oh shit, is it already 15 minutes? And I was like, oh.
And then I saw the setup and I was like, ooh, this looks good. It's very rare. It's actually very rare for me to take a trade.
It was a nice one.
Yeah, it's very rare. I mean, you guys don't see me take trades often before the first 15 minutes. It's very rare. But seeing this one, I was like, ooh, I'm going to take it.
Oh, so tempting.
I don't know why that was funny, but when sellers come in, it makes a coughing sound. Why was that funny? That was hilarious.
That's funny.
Setup waits for no time frame. Yeah. Ooh, all right. So we're rejecting beep pop, and now we might come down and fill this wick. So if we start breaking this 35 level, call it like 227. I think 227 is really that level that we would need to break. But I think if we do, and buyers cannot hold that area, then I think we do come down. But so far, bulls are, you know, this wick that we got here on the 15-minute is strong. ES feeling a little bit weaker, which is interesting because ES is the reason why I took this long in the first place. But this right now is telling me that ES needs to get back above 67.77, 67.77, yeah, and then break 67.80 and then go from there. NASDAQ feeling much stronger right now. Yeah, TD Garage. Venice is nice. It is definitely the best time to go. I mean, there's, aside from the weather, it's raining all the time. It's been raining at least, but I'm no, I grew up in rainy weather. I grew up in the Pacific Northwest, so rain does not scare me, but it was a little crazy when it was starting to flood
let's see what happens here.
Like, oh, all right. This is just normal.
Just gotta wait it out. We're playing the waiting game.
Less smells. I want to know, is anyone in a trade right now? Has anyone taken anything yet? Kind of an interesting price action that we're getting, other than what we just got, this trade that I just exited from. I'm not really seeing much. If I were to look at another trade, I would want to wait for us to break 271. Call it like 280. Ideally, I'd look for that, and then 292, and then head to 310. That would be like my range. Abu Adam is gold long. Okay, long gold.
Gold longs do look nice right now, but we're right at previous day low. So
still holding the long. Nice. All right. Yeah, like I said, longs still look good as long as we don't break this 230, 235. I think they look good. I'm glad I didn't take it on ES. Nice. Now we're getting some buying coming in. Let's see if we can break this 271. Because these buying wicks are clean. Really are clean. Buying pressure stepping in here on book maps.
NVIDIA volume highs. I think that's pulling us.
Yeah, I don't see anything. I don't see any significant sellers until 25.
All right, it's getting there.
So I think if this goes,
getting there.
Go.
Also, Google is up 2%. Google is up 2%. Yeah.
Nice push here on NASDAQ. 287. Clear that, and you have a shot at 300. Very nice shot at 300. Clearing the opening range high currently right now on NASDAQ.
It's so funny, since I only looked at the 15-second chart so far, I feel like the entire
we
trading day
are
has
going
passed
to
already
run
because I saw so
to
many candles.
buy. We're actually going to wait for...
Every 15-second, a new candle is absolutely nuts.
One more push to here.
Hey, Jojo, you just passed the growth account you won the other day? Hell yeah. Nice. Well done.
Nice.
Well done. Mayonnaise unicorn. Like your name.
I think I might have jumped in a little early.
Mayonnaise unicorn. Why the 15-second trade? Just because we're trying to be degens today.
Because Miriam and Matt told me to trade the 15-second trade.
No reason.
I'm only doing it on 150k eval though. Keep in mind. I will trade my normal strategy on my funded. I'm not a dummy sometimes.
Not a dummy. Nav is really
above.
trying to clear this 87 level here. Let's see.
Uh-oh.
Those buyers moved to 216.
Sort of
216.
went in a little soon. Oh crap.
Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted.
Leah, with that message where you said, Gene, congrats on number 1, you just won number 1 back.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Here we go, getting a buying pressure coming in here. Very nice. There's the clear of 287. Now I think we have a good shot at 300.
Order submitted.
As long as they don't reject it here.
Definitely a nice push.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Very nice. Very nice. Yes, still not able to clear its opening range high though. Still feeling a little weak here. I don't love that for ES.
63.
Order submitted.
What are you seeing, Matt?
Order
Oh, I'm just
submitted.
watching the NQ. Might be scalping around a little bit.
You know when Matt is
Matthew.
quiet, he's doing his own thing.
That's why he's so quiet.
Well,
Whenever
it's the first day I'm able to trade those growths I loaded.
Order
I've got
submitted.
2 at their profit target. I'm working on the other 3, or 2 at their the consistency. What is that for these, Nick?
Actually, I gave Miriam the wrong number yesterday. I realized.
Son of a bitch.
It is 2,100.
Okay, I just have it set to liquidate at 2,000 in profit. That just saves me math.
We should see your screen, Matt. I want to see you scalp. Come on. Man.
You know what? We will have to do that at some point. Except I worry about my obscene position sizing. We won't talk about that right now.
Well, you can't just be scalping in the background. We got to see your trades, Matt.
Well, I can do it as long as I'm not claiming the profit on the ticker.
Do it.
Am I just going to trade in the background and say, "Oh, guys, I just hit 50K"? You know what? Never mind. I'm not gonna put anybody out there like that. Chris, any trades that I can alert before, like with enough time to get people in, I will do that. And I'm looking at a couple of things, a little more sort of intraday swing stuff, but this is highly technical scalping right now.
Oh my god. Nice, Canutes. Took that low. Nice sweep past a growth account. Okay, taking my first payout on Lightning. Hey, let's go. Congratulations.
Very nice.
Really like the pattern we're seeing on CL on the 1 hour. The problem is we're coming into an area of consolidation on the chart, so
Okay.
a little hesitant there.
Getting a little bit of a rejection here at the 87 area, which is not what I would have liked to see if I was in this trade. Let's see if they hold here. 250. If they break 250 and continue down, I think they might try to move this down to 227.
Order canceled.
Has Brett's RTY entry been hit? Oh yeah, it would have been hit. He said, right? Would it? Did he say? What did he say? 2487, I think. 87 with stop at 73. Something like that.
I don't know. I don't recall.
Order sub.
Jeez, now
Yeah,
it's-
Marcos, the 15K was only the first
Orders
payment. You got 7 more to go. Sorry, dude.
Order sub.
And yes, the strategy's guaranteed 100% winning rate and 17 to 1 risk reward. I'm just making a joke. This is not financial advice. Please don't actually do that. Well, now it's 8 WN because you want to be a smartass. Marcos is like, wait, just a second. I gotta mortgage my house. I'll be right back.
Oh no.
It goes without saying, guys, but you know, I do feel the need to occasionally say is like, you know, what you do with your own personal money and how you manage, that's your business, but don't go heavy into like credit cards on evals and stuff, guys.
Oh no.
Like spend $100 that you know you're gonna get pay. Okay, that's whatever, but don't. I know people that have gone tens of thousands of dollars deep into credit cards on evals.
This might be a bad trade. We really didn't wait it out.
Opportunity to make more money than just about anything is there in trading, but you can't go deep into debt when you first start. That'll be not good.
Very not good.
Yes.
Very not good, yeah.
Because when you get that deep in, then you know you have to redeem yourself.
Mhm. Yeah, that makes sense, Matt.
Yeah. It does.
Mm-hmm.
Uh-oh.
Right back in here to beat Bop.
Now
Boy,
it
I mean,
almost
we've
looks
gotten
like-
some strong upward and downward momentum since the open and the NQ, but boy, we are just humping beat Bop right now.
Yeah.
You guys in the chat are crazy. Ozempic says loans
Yes,
from
come
friends,
on,
guys,
buyers.
can always make new.
Ozempic, you're always wild with your comments.
he is wild. Always.
Oh, that's good. Almost looks like a head and shoulders pattern forming on the 1 minute here. So just be mindful. We might even come down to this 235 level, come back up, make a lower high, and then possibly make the move back down. But
I'm gonna throw some indicators
well, holding
in
beat
here.
bot. I don't like ES. ES is not cute.
It's yucky.
Yeah. It hasn't even hit its opening range high yet. Naz looks like it wants to take it. And ES is just like, I'm not ready.
Should I start scalping ES on the 15-second chart as well, or what?
Yeah, do it.
Nah, only NQ. Only NQ for that.
WN sold his wife and kids. How much do you need again, Matt?
Well, I mean, if your kids misbehave a lot, it's a net positive anyway. So I don't.
Oh no. Buying pressure picking up here.
Let's go. Come on, let's go.
Back and forth between my charts, but yeah, more buying pressure on ES actually, surprisingly. Which doesn't really make sense. But... Oh my god.
Ooh, a little bit of chop there in a 5-minute. Choppy, choppy.
Yeah, very choppy right now. ES looks a lot more of a shortable indice to me than the NAS. NAS right now, I mean, they're both doing their own thing. NAS right now is holding some key levels. Looks more bullish. Looks very bullish. ES does not to me. I think as long as ES stays below 67.76, still not looking good to me. What are you seeing, Nick?
Right now I'm actually not seeing anything because on the 5-minute
Looking
indices,
scary again.
the higher
Please
the low,
bounce right here.
5-minute candle. Recommend wait on
Please
the change, it says
bounce.
delivery on the 15
I
second chart.
need you to bounce, bounce,
And then
bounce.
trade it. But right now,
Ooh.
like whenever
Oh,
5-minute
no.
candles are inside candles, I can't do anything.
Ooh, selling pressure's picking up. I don't know. I feel like they might try to. What the heck? What the hecky? Ooh, yeah. They're looking like they want to scam some people right now. You're long. Be careful. I would not consider a long unless we get a candle open above 272 right now. We are rejecting opening range high. Holding VPOP though, 254. I think if we get down below 250, see ya.
Patrick, I'm trading 15-second charts today. That's why I'm trading differently. Don't even listen to what I'm saying.
He's embracing his inner degen.
Don't like that rejection on NASDAQ. Yeah, I don't like this price action right now at all. They keep flip-flopping. ES now looks like it wants to go. NASDAQ looks like it wants to reject.
You make up your damn minds.
Yeah. Maybe they should get a room because right now they're just humping VPOP.
Well, it's Wednesday. It's hump day, so.
Well, it's Wednesday.
Come on, stay above.
Yeah, Patrick, that's the exact right expression there. I understand.
I do feel like the NQ wants to flush down to -1 standard dev down there.
Yeah, I don't like that rejection. That does not make me want to go long. If anything, I'd want to short it right now. Yes.
Put the sell stop in at 248 here, guys. There we go.
Hey.
Ooh, gosh, just popped hard through my sell stop there. All right. I'm playing this. This is an eval. I'm going to play this down to 224.
Let's go.
Stop is going to be 65.
We have sellers sitting at 280. Those sellers again. Buyers sitting at 225. Yeah, that was. Did you get any slippage on that?
Just about one handle.
Okay. So not like 20 handles like last time.
No.
That was.
Don't
that
give
was
me
mean.
flashbacks on that
wild.
one.
Oh my god. I don't think you were here for that, Nick.
Yeah, no, I watched the replay though.
Oh my gosh, that was crazy.
After Matt told me.
Yeah, I think if you get the candle hold below 250, it'll be a nice move to at least 237, and then 225 just has those buyers sitting there. But getting the flush, I think you can get down to 200. Oh, 25.8, what do you usually look for in book maps? So I look for areas of liquidity. Liquidity in book maps is visualized in like thick red or thick dark orange colors, I guess. And so the thicker or darker that color is, the more liquidity there is there. So on NASDAQ, I look for orders bigger than 50, 60. I like to look for more than 80 for me is significant. But sometimes you'll see orders like 600, 900, which to me tells me maybe there's some.
Do you guys not
manipulation
see
happening
everything?
there.
That's
So
crazy.
that for me is.
Of course not.
You know,
Oh,
just
yeah,
kinda
that's
what I
right.
look
Because
at.
when
So
I
earlier
went,
when I said there's
sorry
buyers
guys.
sitting at this level,
So sorry.
you know, for me, I was seeing more than 60 orders sitting there. So typically when we come into an area of liquidity, we can kind of break that level, especially on NASDAQ. We'll tend to see a breakage of that level and then a really nice bounce out of it. So you can use, it's nice to use bookmaps as a way of confirming certain levels, which is what I use it for. So that's kind of what I see. But right now, yeah, like I said, those sellers right now I see sitting at 280 and then 300. They kind of pressed back in at 280 once they could not get the clear out of 290. And then 300 would have been that next target. But right now, still kind of struggling. You have your stop set at where? 65?
It's 65 up there, yeah.
Okay.
Matt, if this 5-minute candle closes bullish, I'm gonna fade you.
Okay.
But only for 10 points. We can both make money. Don't worry.
Don't worry.
Don't worry.
Hope you get this, Matt.
It's eval against eval, so it doesn't matter.
And I'm out.
Got a buy order come in here. Those rats.
So stopped out there, guys.
Yeah, this price action is kind of tricky right now. ES still holding the 6770 level. That's another level that I'm looking at on ES. The 64 area has been a key area on ES since Monday. So that's also another reason why I took that long there, because that level has been really, really key. So if we, as long as we stay above that, you know, I'm not saying like go, you know, continue to go long. I don't really even like ES right now, but unless we break 6764, then I think you can stay relatively long on ES. But once we break that and hold, I think we start looking for shorts there.
30 seconds till this 5-minute candle closes, and I'm gonna take it long. If it's bullish.
Sorry, Lukey. You really want to know what I had for lunch? I
He
had
always
a
wants to know.
vegetable panini and
Vegetable
some saltine
panini.
crackers and bone broth. Nothing exciting. I woke up kind of late today, so didn't really have time to eat.
Right, didn't get a bullish candle close. That was more like a doji thingy.
I don't like this price action. They could still dump this here, especially the. Yeah, I don't like it. Selling pressure picking up here now.
A lot of aggressive buyer. Problem. Over now. Aggressive buyers.
Lack of
are
follow through, what I'm seeing right now.
Consolidation. Yeah, bottom. The fight. It's
They're
just-
really trying to hold this level.
Mm-hmm. That's really
Dang.
Oh
holding.
yeah, it's a typical range.
It is holding.
I'm gonna say right now, I don't like any trades
Consummate.
where we're sitting. I mean, right now, you know, a lot of choppiness. So I would almost wait for 227. We can see 227 on our NASDAQ. ES might even come back down to the 67, 64 level. Looking pretty weak here on ES.
Careful. But,
Well, Schrödinger, the market can and will do anything and everything.
What's SPX doing?
how much?
Yeah, SPX is doing a whole lot of nothing.
Anime, I'm actually trading the
I'll-
fractal model on the
Can't hold
15-second chart. That's what I'm doing right now.
How's
It's
that going?
15 seconds, 5 minutes.
I just wanted to get it.
I don't like it.
Abo, good. How are you?
Feel that.
Fractal model on a fractal chart. Kinda.
All right, getting some selling coming in here. Let's see if they can break this 225. Otherwise, they hold it and do a whole lot of nothing.
Burnt.
Like I said, there are buyers sitting at the 225, 220 level. Call it like all the way down to 217. So at any point, they could buy this back up. fan.
Reverting right around.
The only thing I would say is, in terms of being short biased right now, the fact that they rejected opening range high, could not make that move above 290, and then continued to make lower highs. It does look more like a short. However, I don't like an entry anywhere here. So until we break 225, maybe even come back retest. Right now, it's just
Haven't traded.
chop.
Sorry, guys, I'm having to mute a little bit. I've got a chainsaw
Okay,
just outside.
we're
my
sticking
window
to
right
the
now.
strategy here.
Not a Halloween decoration, having a tree taken down. We do have a street over from us. We have a house of those people that take Halloween way
Oh yeah, I love
too
that.
seriously. I mean, don't get me wrong. We got a few decorations, a few things out there. You know, it's a small front yard. It's kind of an oddly shaped lot. It's a nice house, but it's a
Come on.
very small front yard, and they've got it like fenced in, and it's a graveyard, and there's like so many things hanging over. It's like, you know, I just want to say, okay, if you dialed it back about 30%, be kind of cool and maybe a little scary. It's ridiculous. So.
Actually, yesterday I ordered like a Roman Emperor Halloween costume because my girlfriend and I are gonna play in a Halloween paddle tennis tournament. Let's not get into what paddle tennis is, but Roman Emperor it is this year.
Oh, that's fun.
You're the Roman Emperor. What is she?
The Roman Empress, Empress. How do you call that? I don't know.
You should make her the Empress and you're the concubine.
Order cancel. Order fill.
Her name actually means Little Roman.
Guys, I am
Is she
trying
li-
to
how tall
short
is she?
here. I got in at 221.
Oh, wow. Look
All
at
right,
this.
there we
Coming
go.
down, dude.
Well,
Jesus.
Hard.
not tall enough, Matt. That's why
All right.
the name is fitting.
Okay, well, there you go.
And we
200 here. I'm putting my stop at break even because I don't like that they're holding 200 here.
What was your entry?
221. I took that break once we got back up to 226 and then rejected again. I took that short. Right now they're holding. See, they're holding 200. That level is still a key level, guys.
You get out?
Not yet. I'm gonna hold on to this a little bit more. See, I'll see what they're doing here. They could still reject 220. So I'm just waiting.
Where's your stop right now?
My stop's gonna be sitting at 229.
Now we hear the chainsaw.
Oh, yeah. Sorry. I left that.
Nah, you're good. It's not really distracting.
Let's see what they do here.
DJ says, my wife is going as Cleopatra and I'm going as Caesar dressing.
That's funny.
That is funny.
Yeah, I don't like this. Not really a fan.
So my parents actually won a Halloween costume contest, a big one. One year. This was probably, oh God, I was in my 20s. I think this was about 20 years ago. So do you want to know what they went as?
Uh-oh, what did they go as?
What?
A priest and a pregnant nun.
Oh my God.
So hold on. My dad was the pregnant nun.
I'm dead.
Okay, that's funny. That's funny.
Yes.
All
And
right,
they
this
went
is
to
my trade,
they
guys.
went
I
to
had
a Halloween party where there was an actual priest who thought it was hilarious.
Oh my God, that's fucking hilarious. All right, so I could lose about $700 on this trade. I'm just gonna see what they do at 235. Right now, that is my rejection point. So if they continue to hold this area, which it looks like they might try to, then I will be out of this trade.
Don't push up on NQ now.
See if they reject here. It's kind of what I'm waiting on. I had my literally like
Yeah, you almost
right
did.
when this candle closed, I did not get that fill, which is unfortunate at 196. But all right, I just got stopped out of that. So down, well not down, but down to 1365 on this trade. But they could. See, this is the level that I'm looking for. They could reject it here. They could reject
All
it
right,
here.
let's
Which
see
is
what happens, guys.
gonna suck, but it's okay.
Trig says, wife and I are a pickle and a female deer.
Pickle and a female deer. I don't get it.
Weird Halloween costumes, guys. Howdy.
I don't get that one.
That is
Cincinnati Kid, everybody shorting in their sim accounts is not going to move the market.
Yeah,
And
no, that's
even
not
if we
good.
all, every single person in this chat and us right now, put our whole net worth into a live trade and then took that and multiplied it by a factor of 10, we still wouldn't move the markets.
Yeah, you would. If everybody does that at the exact same time, we would move the market.
Okay, like a few handles, and then the arbitrage would kick right back in.
Maybe.
I don't know what I'm having for lunch today.
Surunuki is building a
I'm
spreadsheet
really
here
on that.
with our food data. Guys, I'm entering along if I get this 5-minute candle closure. We got the 15-second change in state of delivery. God, this is so ridiculous to say, but that's how it is, okay?
That's funny.
hold.
Right into Bebop, though. I don't like that.
Right at the beat bot.
Let's see.
Still like it for a short.
Oh, are we going to fade each other or what?
Maybe.
Paradise.
Now on Tradovate, though, so I can execute the bracket order easy. 10 seconds, guys.
Fighting.
All right, I'm long.
Session. Also see.
I like it for a short here.
Yeah. I'm almost out. And I'm out. 10, 11 points, top 11 point target. That's what we're doing.
That's how it's working.
That was like a 2-second trade.
That was is that even count because it was so
Order cancel.
short?
Order fill.
Oh,
Very short.
freaking. Let me try this again.
Order fill. Order fill. Order submitted.
Not good at all. Come on.
I don't trust these buyers here.
Order
Oh, come on.
Yeah, I'm shorting this again, guys. Trying it here.
Order
This will be my last trade today.
Texas.
I mean,
Come
not
on,
today,
break down.
but
There we go. There we go.
it'll be my last trade this session
There
if
we go.
I don't get this.
I trade, don't worry. I'm just messing around right now. I'll be back. I gotta let my inner degen out, you know. Tomorrow, London session, we're back with our normal A+ setups.
My target's going to be 196
Order submitted.
on this trade. See if we can break this
Orders.
down here. Stop is going to be 46.75.
Order fill.
If they don't break this 215 level, then I don't like it so much. Let's see
Orders.
the break here. You rats. Yeah, see? They're not breaking it. That's what I don't like.
So yeah, it's forming more.
Where is
Starting to
it?
separate. because it's not the
I want to see 215 break
price
with
action.
volume.
Both you guys. Sellers are much more.
Order sub-
Yeah, there's your break.
Just because I took a loss on that last one, I'm going to take one off
Order
here
submitted.
at 210. So I'm in 2 minis left,
Order
moving my
submitted.
stop to
Order canceled.
39.
Order
So
filled.
taking a
Order
10-point
rejected.
loss on the rest of these. But I do want
Order sub-
196. I want to see if we can get 196 here. Give it to me, rats. Break 200.
You rat
Order
bastards.
canceled.
Come on.
Order filled.
Come on, just a little bit more. Move my stop to break even. There we go. All right, moving my stop to 215. Back up on the day.
Profits
I
down
want to see
here.
I want to see this 190 level break. If we can't break 190, then I'll probably close this position. I want to see 179 next. All right, there we go. 206 is my new stop. There we go. Let's see.
On, let's
175 and 162 would be that next. But if they can't break this level, then my stop is protected here. Yeah, see, they're not looking to break it. Let's see. Break it, you rats. You rat bastards.
Rat bastards.
That's it.
Come on.
Come
God.
How many times a day do you just like, come on, seriously?
Like, what are we doing? Break it.
Dump it.
Dump it. I want to see 190. 190 needs to break here. I'm on a 150K eval here. 150K eval, guys. I'm in 1 mini left. So if they try to run this back up above 200, my stop's at 206. And
Oh,
they're
man.
playing with my stop.
It's
They are
nibbling.
playing. Oh, you rats. You rats. Look at them edging me like that. All right, there it is.
And there you go.
Oh, shit. Did I go long? Fuck. All right. Sorry. All right. Rookie mistake. Don't do that. Don't do what I did. I forgot I had 2 orders sitting there. So it closed me out of my short, but then went long on the others. So got out of that quick. Probably lost like $70 on that. And now it's going to probably go. So this is the hard part about trading, is like setting your stop correctly. So this has been something I've been doing often, and I'll admit it's like, you know, it's been frustrating because a lot of times my stops will be pretty much right at where I think the rejection point's going to be, and there it is. So for me, you know, a stop at 210 would have probably been more appropriate, just because when you see a candle like this, they could reverse it about halfway of the previous candle. So for me, this would have been like around 209, 210, but I had my stop sitting at 206. So, you know, it is what it is. But this was essentially the move that I was looking for. I was looking to take profit at 280. Really, I was looking to take profit
Dang.
at 168. So they could take it down there right
There we go.
now.
Boom.
Oh my
Boom.
god.
Perfect. Thank you, man. Thank you. Got me out. Profit. Got me out with
It is what it is.
Right?
It's just like an uncontrolled dump right now. I mean, it's just like spewing.
It's
Shorts.
just like, oh, you want us to stop you out, and then we'll just run all the way past where you would have taken profit at? That's awesome. Yeah, that's great. All right, well, there's the move.
Never came back to
And where do they go from now? Let's see. Let's look at the charts. They have broken this opening range low. Oh, you guys can't even see that. They have broken this opening range low. So what I'd be looking for, any retest of this area, 172, 173 level, I would look for possible retest, rejection, and then continue lower. I would expect maybe at this point 113, 111. Very unfortunate that I got stopped out of that trade, but it is what it is. It is what it is. Yeah, it is. Right, Gabby? Rude. Rude.
Every had large.
Yes, very clean break of opening range low. Couldn't even retest its 9 EMA right now, breaking previous day low, which is sitting at 67.59. So
Right outside of
I think we do. This looks like it might want to get down to the 100s here on NASDAQ.
Come on. Go, so.
Oh, the pain.
There you go.
That
Oh,
is
yes.
max pain.
Oh, shit. What happened here? What the hell?
Order
Let's see if they hold this level here at 113.
I literally top ticked the start of the short move, but I went long. I'm Jim Cramer today, guys. I tell you.
It's okay.
Some day, well, you know what they say. Some days you're Jim Cramer, and some days you're somebody who actually knows what the fuck they're talking about.
I'll be looking for a possible long around 25,100. 25,087 is going to be that level if we do get down here. We might even pop it up sooner than that. Let's see.
So yeah, right into New York lows. Yesterday's New York lows. Actually, no, not true. Not yesterday's. My bad. Monday's New York lows.
Whatever. That's a
Oh,
lot.
you can pop it up right now. That's fine. And didn't even get to this demand zone. That's cool. Love that. Oh, that's sickening.
It's ballsy too long here. What do you look at for confirmation to take a long here?
Well, I'm
picking the
looking at those
wrong
buyers
freaking
sitting on
ones,
bookmaps
guys.
currently
Just,
at 25,100.
it
There's
is.
significant buyers sitting there. I also have a demand zone on NASDAQ, but seeing how they're pushing it right now, I'm
Oh,
gonna
should've
have to
stayed.
wait a little bit. They might try to clear those orders here, sitting at 25,100. Let's see. There it is. There's that clear. But they could get it. A nice hold here. Let's see. Just waiting.
Oh,
Buyers also sitting at this 87 level. Yeah, these sellers are kind of coming in hot.
Coming in hot, yeah. We should set a new like goal for another giveaway, guys. We're currently sitting at 578 likes. Let's get the stream to 679. So everybody who has not liked the stream yet, make sure you like the stream right now. Get us to 679 likes, and we're gonna do another giveaway.
Another one.
Another one.
What are you gonna do, bulls? ES has a level at 746. Let's see.
Orders
Tesla's tanking. Let me pull up Tesla.
Tesla. Tesla is tanking.
Tesla's down 2.2%.
Ooh,
Damn.
for what?
For fun.
Here we go. Real part of the page.
Just because.
Because why not?
Order fill.
1, 2,
Damn.
orange.
What a flush.
Of the
Yeah, gold had a nice rejection off beep up there.
All right, I'm long. Sorry.
No problem.
I'm long 106.50. Moving my stop to break even very quickly here. I do not want to see a dead cat bounce, which is maybe what they might try to do. I do like the demand zone hold that we got on NASDAQ.
Orders.
76.
I do have my stop sitting literally right at break even.
Hold that I went to 50.
5. I might get stopped out here.
Market was
Oh, those rats. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. Hold it.
This is the
Oh my gosh, that was so close.
doesn't mean it's
Okay, let's see if they hold it here.
long time.
I'm gonna try to move my, so you guys can see this really quickly.
Also, that acted up.
Yeah.
All right, so I took that long there. I already took profit off because I do not want to see them break this. So my stop is sitting at 108, pretty much where I got in, 106.50. I want to see a move back up to 140, and then I will take my profit off there.
Never trade tester.
Again, this is a demand zone I was looking at. I was looking for the break at 100 and then a breakdown from 188. I did see some buyers step in, so I did take that, but they might stop me out here. They might do it. They're just playing with me.
Pump it up. It's a risk-free trade, so.
It is. I just want to see them clear this level. So not looking like they want to, but we'll see.
I wanted to
See what we get. We need to clear 125.
earlier.
125. Might be a dead cat bounce. This might be one of those like really quick. Yep, I'm out. Not it. Got a little quick little scalpy there, but not quite it. They could
Well-
still try. They could still try, but
The thing is, if this goes further down, next level is weekly open at 25,065, and then pretty much previous month high, 25,027.
they're looking like they might want to hold
Order
it here.
cancel.
See, ES could have some more room down. I think ES has a little bit more room down. NASDAQ coming into like 073 and holding. I'll consider this again. But right now, I tried it. I saw book maps. I saw the buyer step in. I went long.
Drop 1,000 lots every.
Was hoping for more of a push up, but didn't quite get it.
Gold is asleep today, though.
Somebody. I don't.
After
Order
yesterday's
cancel.
big move.
Order
Yeah,
fill.
it's like,
All right, guys, that's it. All the loves. We are pretty negative
Did they get
today.
here? Maybe. Those rats.
Just what it is, guys.
Those rats. This is what I was looking
Is
for, guys.
what it is.
This is what I was looking for. The problem is, if I didn't take the profit, if I didn't set my stop, I would have gotten stopped out at the lows. And then here we go. 125. They break 125. They continue further. They're going to go to 140. Yep. This is what I was looking for. It's okay.
It's okay.
I'm more sad about the short that I stopped out on. All good. All good.
It
You
happens.
try some, you lose some, you win some.
Speaking of winning, we're about to do a giveaway once you guys
Oh,
hit
yeah.
679 likes.
We're,
Probably
uh,
should have went
50 likes
with.
away, guys. 53 likes. Give us those likies. We're going to give you the giveaway account.
I think on our prop shop, we're gonna go with smaller
I do like this. If the 5-minute closes above 25,112, I really like this for a long. Again, demand area.
I think that's
yes,
another
like,
time
this
that we've
is a nice
seen
tweezer bottom setting up here on the 5 minutes. So if
the
this holds,
reverse, and we
it'd
decided
be a
to
nice
stay in
fall
it
all the way up
anyways.
to 172.
Oh,
We'll see though. I want to see 40 clear. Ideally 38, 40, because they could still reject it. They could still reject it at like 145, 142 on NAS.
Yeah, we're like 500 down on the prop shop one. This is, you know,
Yeah, I don't
we need to
like
be
that.
smart about it. We're gonna
On-chain
go ahead and
market.
start going with one contract.
Oh, my back.
typically I was not.
I don't think that the 2 contracts is working out. So
Mariam Namdi0 is asking what
I think we
concept
do
does
it with
Mariam
this one
trade? What would you call your
here.
concept or your strategy?
I trade a couple different things. So I trade, I like to look at supply demand. Supply demand is like one of my main
And,
things. I like breaks and retests. So breaks of certain levels and then retests.
I mean,
of
like,
those
we
levels
should have
to
known.
either go long or short. I've
To
been
be
really,
fair,
really into
part of my
like, reversal
strategy,
patterns. I guess
the times that
reversals
I
could
busted
essentially
back
be a
up and
form of
then
supply
kind of
and demand
rejected
too.
lower and lower, it
Essentially,
should have
this
been
is what I
probably a
was looking
sign, I'm
for, a
thinking.
reversal of this move down that we got.
So we're just gonna,
Um,
we'll go to
I
one
like
contracts and
opening range,
everything for a
opening range
while.
breakouts as well.
We'll leave this one
This
at
was the
2.
level that I was looking for when I was in
See
that
how
short. I was
things
looking for us to break this level, and I would have held on
prescribe,
to my
you know what I
position.
mean?
If I
But
was still in the short, I
so
probably would have
first
trailed my
loss
stop closer to like 150
of
and then just let this run.
running the
Because
strategy.
essentially right now we are technically entering a demand zone on NASDAQ. This is a 4-hour demand
not
zone.
too
So
bad.